I'd like to tell you a little bit about this SEEKONE hot glue gun. This is a dual powered glue gun. It's got a 60 watt and a 100 watt setting. So depending on what type of glue you're using or what you're doing in the way of crafts, what you're using it for, you may need a higher setting. Comes with a whole bag of the clear glue sticks, but again, you can there's different strengths glue sticks you can get depending on what you're doing. I know there are people that actually use these for paintless dent removal, and you can put the glue on the little tabs, put it on the dent, and then pull the dent out. So it does have a nice stand here that just comes out like that so that you're not touching the tip on something and burning it. It does have a power indicator light on the back as well. And right now, I am keeping birds off of my solar caps. And this works great for this project. Just put some on there. Again, it's very controllable. It's not coming out too fast. And set that down. And right on there, that's gonna dry nice and hard. It's not gonna go anywhere. And I can show you all the other ones I've done today.
Do you recommend it?
I highly recommend it.
It's
It works
a good
great.
one.
Yes.
In the garage.
Yes.
And crafting and
Absolutely.
everything. Okay, thank you. He recommends it.